Hallo, welcome back. In our previous lesson, you learned how to say you play in German, which is Sie spielen. Remember, this is the formal you, Sie spielen with a capital S. And what I'd like to do in this lesson is show you how to use Sie verb forms in the present tense with all regular verbs so that you can apply it to all verbs and you can instantly increase your ability to express yourself in German. So here we are with the subject pronoun and the infinitive, so you and then spielen, to play. So how did we get to that Sie spielen? Well, it's very simple. The rule is for conjugating regular verbs in the present tense, if you're using the Sie form, you drop the en, or if the infinitive happens to end in an N, drop the N. So either the en or N, most of the time it's going to be en. And all you do is add en for Sie. It seems kind of silly to drop the en and add it back, but officially that is the rule. So with spielen, let's go through the process. Drop the en. And this is what we call our root. I pick my subject pronoun, which is Sie in this case, and you know that if you pick Sie, that the ending for Sie in the present tense is always en. So you just add it, and there you have it. So Sie spielen, Sie spielen. And remember that in the present tense, a verb can mean one of three things. So Sie spielen can mean you play, you do play, or you are playing. Any one of the three, and it just depends on the context. Okay, so let's apply this to other verbs. Can you put other verbs in the Sie form, other regular verbs? So we have to go, gehen, to need, brauchen, to bring, bringen, to find, finden, to ask, fragen, to buy, kaufen, to love, lieben. Okay, so we start with our first one, gehen. We have Sie gehen, which means you go, you do go, you are going. How would you ask the question, are you going or do you go? Remember, verb first and then subject pronoun. So Sie gehen becomes gehen Sie, gehen Sie. Brauchen, how would you say you need, you do need, you are needing, with Sie as your subject? Sie brauchen, you need. Do you need? Brauchen Sie, brauchen Sie. Bringen, you bring? Sie bringen. Do you bring? Bringen Sie. Finden, to find. You find? Sie finden. Do you find? Finden Sie. Fragen, to ask. You ask. Sie fragen. Do you ask? Fragen Sie. Kaufen, to buy. You buy. Sie kaufen. Do you buy? Kaufen Sie. Lieben, to love. You love? Sie lieben. Do you love? Lieben Sie. And there you have it. Now you can conjugate any regular verb in the present tense using the Sie subject pronoun. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.